Hey, how's it going, Renee? Kelsey here with Mixed Digital Marketing. Just wanted to quickly send you over a video on some strategies that we would recommend you using to help optimize your website and help it rank higher in Google. So usually we go over three things. The first recommendation is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content refers to the amount of words that are on each page. And so Google recommends that on the home page you having 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then each service page having 500 to 750 words. So as you can see on this home page, although you do have some good content, there isn't nearly enough words on here for Google to properly register what your business is doing, and thus not allowing it to rank higher in Google searches. And so what we would want to do is definitely get you over that 1,000 word mark with keyword relevant searches like Powerwashing Austin and um, some other services that you provide within this home page. Because what's in your home page is a true driver of your web domain. And so just to show you real quick, if we use a program called Allreps, and with this program we're able to see on a monthly average how many people type in certain keywords. So if we just look at power washing Austin, we have a difficulty of 7, which is not hard. Usually the very easy ones are between 0 and 5. And so now that we're a little bit above 5, this means that it'll take a little bit more time to rank on the first page than it normally would with something in between the 0 to 5 range, but it doesn't mean it's impossible. It's definitely an attainable keyword that we believe we can get you ranking to the first page on. And with this keyword, there's 200 searches per month just looking for power washing Austin. And if you look down one level, power washing Austin, Texas has 100 keywords per searches per month. Thus, total with this kind of just this sort of keyword phrasing, there's 300 searches per month there that if we're getting you to rank to the top of the page, you can get anywhere from 15 to even 50% of this volume. That's just clicks to your website. So this would be one of, say, 10 to 15 keywords that we definitely want to implement into your homepage. So that brings us to the second thing, which is backlinks. So if we go into your URL, so we type it in here, you can see that there's these numbers that show us the rank and kind of some of the power that's being driven to your website. So this ranking being 10 is relatively low. We'd want to uplift that ranking. This kind of gives the overall idea of what your URL is ranked at. And this is the backlink power that's coming to it. And this is actually a really high number, but it's actually not good that there's a big difference between these numbers. We would definitely want to help uplift this number to get it closer together, because the closer it is to being the same, the more trustworthy a site is. And that leads us to backlinks and referring domains. And so here, as you can see, there's no data, and because you do not have any backlinks. So backlinks are websites like blogs and other similar websites where you're able to leave a comment and you can put your URL link there, and it links back to your website. That and Google, by seeing that, sees that as more trustworthy and a more powerful website that they until help rank higher in Google. And then also in here, this is where the keywords would be, and you're pinging for 0, and we would definitely want to uplift that number based on the content that we'd be able to provide for your website. And so lastly would be citations, and that is in regards to the map pack. So if we type in Power Wash Austin, so here you see the ads. So you can pay for ads, and we can help do that as well. But at this time, we recommend uplifting the website first and playing more of the long game. Ads are mainly a short-term gain, and even then, they don't have the best click rates. So here is what is known as the map pack. And so with that, we would want to get your website on this map pack, and so registering through Google and within the top 3 locations here. And by doing this, the number one thing that ranks it higher is in the organic search, which is down here and getting you on the top spot on the first page, number 1. And then the second thing, though, is citations. And so citations are directories that have your name, address, and phone number exactly as you set it up in Google. And so that includes websites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook. Any of those things that require your name, address, and phone number will help you rank higher within this map pack. And we've done research, and it shows that if you're in the number 1 spot here in the map pack, you can get 30% of the search volume. And so that's a big influx into your website potentially, and we'd love to be able to help you do these things. So if you're interested, feel free to reach out, and we'd be happy to help you.